That's just stripping things, so we could do a compression test on this red Supra.
But always remember to clean it out before you open your cylinders up. Don't get no dirt and debris in there. I don't know who put this fucking thing together. Two first ones are loose. Third one can't fucking get it out.
It's tight.
Does it look rusty? It's just split garbage. Fucking. Like, who does that?
Oh my.
I don't even know if we could take that out. That's like someone cross-threaded and just tightened it.
Send her home?
I don't know, man. I'm gonna take the fucking threads out with it, it seems.
Yeah, finally got it out.
Yeah, it's not stripped, she's blown. We're assuming there's a little bit of an issue. And it doesn't even really make noise. It just runs like a dog.
So it's not the rings.
Well, some. Whoa. Fuck, that one's got 160. Yeah, well. Hey, whoa, whoa. So we got 60, 70 something. Yeah, we might have a fucked up block there. Cylinder 2, nothing. Give her. Hey, whoa. We just got a dead cylinder. Cylinder 3 is just fucked. So I got the alternator out. We're pulling the intake just to make room so I get the starter off easier and stuff, because we gotta strip the engine after this anyways, going on an engine stand. And so I'm taking off the EGR side of things and bolt it back here. And everything's just loose. So we got the bolts out there. I'm just gonna put it in a bag so it doesn't get the car dirty. I'm just gonna leave it on the seat. We're gonna put the little rag in there and we're gonna pull the tranny out from underneath now. That dirt?
What kind of tranny is this, Matt? R154?
Yeah.
5-speed.
Oh, you want to turn that? Pause that? No. What?
You got the little inspection plates off there. Let's see that.
It's pretty convenient. You hit 2 bolts at a time, so you do it in like 3 steps instead of 6.
Whoa. You're good?
I'm good, yeah? Well, this side's better than that side. I'm just holding it on the bolt on this side. Like it's just a little screwdriver. And then you could even just hold it there.
Hold that like that.
Yeah, the bolts are pretty nice and clean on this car. This chassis is like surprisingly really clean.
Sleeve cylinder. Bing bang boom there. That old Johnson will come out.
That looks pretty fucking fasty for some reason. Had to go back tight for a second, just make sure I don't snap the bitch, you know? Fucking don't pull it out too fast. We just won't look at each other.
You're fucked.
You know what I meant.
Yeah.
Okay, I need an extension.
Come on down, Extendo's Deluxe. Get that little Johnny back there.
Oh, dude, we should go to Deluxe, boys.
Matt is a fast food addict.
Oh, I'm just addicted there. It's like,
Having withdrawals.
yeah, I like me some food. Cars and weed and food. I mean, you can never not be happy if you got all three of those.
I won't argue with ya. He's in there like swimwear. See that?
I mean, you gotta look. I'm fucking on the other side of the trans here. You fucking got the camera guy right in the way.
But he's got a mustache now, so nothing else matters.
Well, it's Movember.
Oh, yeah, I keep forgetting that.
You're just mad you can't grow one.
Why you gotta hit so close to my heart there?
I don't know.
This whole shifter comes out?
Shifter's already out.
Nice. So you actually did things today.
You're such a fucking goof, eh?
What are the odds you break this thing when you pull it out?
This thing's pretty simple. There's just this sleeve and then the shaft on the inside of it. It pushes. This is all very strong setup. Like,
Yeah.
not like your Chevy boy shit made in China. This is made in Japan.
I'm gonna feel the fuck.
Except for this fitting. Apparently that's made in China.
China. China.
I don't know why it's so fucking tight in there.
Oh, it's leaking. It's leaking. He broke it. He broke it. The boot. He just pulled the boot. What'd I tell ya? What are the odds he breaks this pulling it out? Ha ha! Viewers,
Well,
like, comment,
I mean-
subscribe. Oh! She's squaring.
I mean, it wasn't
Squaring.
working.
Gold
so-
showers. Money shot right there.
Oh, what just happened there? That's
You pulled the boot and the shaft right out.
No,
What did
that's
I
what
tell
happened.
ya?
Look at the thing's broken for a reason there.
Yeah.
They were doing the clutch kicks galore, bud. Hey, the fucking body of it's
shit.
cracked. That's why the clutch pedal's to the floor, bud. The thing's broken, dude. That's not my
You
fault.
still broke it there. You were just claiming there. This thing is built pretty tough. Doesn't
No, dude, this shaft is supposed to
matter.
just come in and out like that, Max. That's not supposed to be part of that. That's what I'm telling you. This thing's broken.
Yeah.
This is like
Well, that's fucking enough there. Show them the ear.
what?
Show them the ear. There, that snapped clean off the slave cylinder.
That's what I mean. The tires were bald when I got this car, and the motor's blown. What do you think happened, bud? Clutch kicks for days.
Well,
For
what else
days.
would a guy with a stash like that do?
Well, I didn't do it.
Well, you look like a guy that would though with that stash.
I bought the car, and it was blown.
Okay, now that was a pretty good money shot there.
Loose?
Yeah, that just got loose.
Yeah, so look around over
Let's
there.
fucking pull her back. Straight. You gotta get it off the pins. Jiggle it a little bit side to side.
You got all the bolts off, right?
Yeah, pull back. Don't go up and down. Don't go up and down. Go side to side.
Listen, fucking these come off the boys. They're gonna hold this.
Yo.
Okay, no, it's
Yo.
we're good.
Yo.
Down.
Yo,
Okay,
chill
down.
out.
Whoa, get ripped on.
Down.
Getting ripped on. Fuck.
Yo. Watch out, dude.
Where you want it? Let's go out to the back.
It's in your hair, Matt. It's in your hair.
In my shoe. It's in my shoe.
Oh, yes, boys! Yes, boys!
I got a fucking shoe full of coolant.
Matt, buddy! Fuck your shoe full of coolant.
So we got the hood on the roof. Engine's looking good now that there's no fucking intake on it. And we're ready to get the cherry picker set up and pull her out.
Yeah, we're gonna tire there. We'll just pull out once and for all.
You got it?
Or Matt, do you want to throw it right on here right away?
Pulling it right on there, I think.
turkey call. Yeah, you're on camera, eh?
Or something there.
I can edit some of it though.
You're gonna have to do some editing.
It's fucked they went through the trouble of even probably putting those mouths in. To me, it's they should have just taken the mayonnaise fucking sauce or something else.
Good deal.
Now how does this thing go better? You guys
No.
You go.
Oh, there's something missing in there.
Where are you?
Skibbity boo bop. Whoa. Alright, so here's the big reveal. Hopefully this just goes nice and easy. Oh! She go! Go, Daisy. Go, buddy.
How's that looking there for you?
Come check the head there. Oh, his head toast. Oh, fuck. Even the front cylinder's just mulched a bunch of shit. What happened in there? There's chunks. Oh shit. There's chunks of like a valve in the fucking front cylinders too. That's like a ring line or something. There's only running on the back cylinders. There's chunks of metal in all the cylinders. That's fucked.
Let's go see what's so it looks like these cylinders too. Huh.
How is that even still running? That's my question. Should we turn it over? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's still together, eh? That's how strong
Wow.
them 7Ms are, bud. Talk about rod knock. This thing don't even knock, bro. This thing just spits out chunks of piston. Remember I kept telling you, I kept finding, every time my dad would move it around the yard, in his yard there, I kept finding like little pieces of what I thought were rocks in the big can. I was like, who's kicking rocks at my fucking car to land in the can? But I guess every time my dad would start it to move the car in the yard there, pat, 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 chunks are coming out.